Notion templates for productivity. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, head over to Notion.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, go ahead and sign up. It's free. Once you're in, look at the sidebar on the left and scroll all the way down until you see the Templates button. Click that. Now, in the search bar at the top, type Personal Productivity. This will show you tons of useful templates to help you stay organized. You can filter between free and paid ones. Choose whatever fits your needs. For this example, I'm going to pick the Habit Tracker, Set Your Goal template. Click Add, and it'll automatically be added to your sidebar. Once it's there, just click on it to open. You'll see a simple layout where you can check off daily habits as you complete them. Super satisfying. And if you want to add a new habit, just click New Habit, type in the name and description, and that's it. Now you've got your own personalized habit tracker ready to go.